To add a picture into a WordPress page or post, it's the same process. You want to go into your page, which I already have done here, and put your cursor roughly where you want the picture. There's a little bit of formatting that has to happen, but start in a good spot, and then click the Add Media button right here. This will take you to your photo library. These are all previous pictures I've had on my site. If you need to upload from your computer, you can click the Upload Files and select your photo. Notice the maximum file size is 8 megabytes. You want pictures on the website to be small, so you should have already formatted that in Photoshop or an equivalent program, and really it should be under 3 or 500K, so much smaller than what is shown here. You also want to make sure you have the width and height of your picture already set as best you can. You really don't want to edit photos in WordPress. It's not the right tool for it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pick a picture though that I already have. Let's see, I'll just pick this guy here with the ice cream. I'm going to click on the bottom right. Notice two things. There's an alignment. You can go ahead and choose if you'd like a link, should it link to anything, and I usually put none. And then your size. You can have your full size, or you can shrink it automatically. That's okay to do. It's a couple of presets. To make it smaller is not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and put it full size though and insert into my page. And now you see the picture shows up. It looks like it's right aligned here. Now that's always a little tricky. You want to click on the photo and it gives you some alignment options. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click Update though. And then we're going to refresh and take a look at the page. So here's the page before, and here's the page after adding that photo. I had a different picture before, so there you go. So the photo is added. Obviously it's too large. The wording is formatted oddly around. It's not running around properly. That's because my site has a setting to center these photos, and it's giving it an issue even though I have it aligned right. Typically it would look more like you see here, and all the wording would run around it. So unless you've messed with your styling like I did, your alignment will be good if you just stick with these options when you click on the photo. You can also, if it's pretty close to a smaller size, you can go ahead and shrink it down there. You can click this edit button, or like I did, I just dragged from the corner. That's the best way to size it once you're in WordPress. But you don't want something that's 8 megabytes or very large before you do that step. You want it fairly small to start. You'd update again to see your changes, and that's it. Thanks so much. Feel free to watch the rest of my WordPress instructional videos.